What is up, you guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about Adobe, and here is my portfolio of how I've been growing my portfolio year after year. Let me just get this focus right here, this camera. So what is this channel all about? It's about long-term investing, growing your portfolio year after year. And the goal is to increase our portfolio 50 to 75%. I'm going really aggressive this year, and I'm going to be trying to increase my portfolio 75%. I have here my one portfolio of Robinhood. I also have another one with Webull, and this one's at right now currently invested $512,000. I currently have on the other one about close to 100,000, but I have a lot of cash on hand right now because I'm waiting for those opportunities in the market, right? I just waiting on these opportunities, and this channel is all about that. Growing your account, growing it long term, getting everything, just having your money make money for you, right? That's what this channel is about. And if you're growing your portfolio, you always want to make smart plays. You don't want to pretty much just have like FOMO and buy it at the all-time highs, right? So let's go and let's get real technical with it, right? So if you're new to this channel and you want to, if you think this information is valuable, you can always hit that like button, subscribe. Let's go to Webull real quick here so I could chart you Adobe. So let me go here for me. All right, and let's go to Adobe stock, right? Let's get this. And Adobe has been just dropping a ton, and it's looking like a buy area very, very soon. I like the stock a lot just because of the financials, right? So when it comes to stocks, we don't want to just look at stock prices and the PE ratio, and we want to look at companies that are making money year after year and also increasing net profits year after year. Adobe is that. There's no reason it should be dropping this low, and I want to get more in depth with it. But first of all, I like to use the Fibonacci tool when it comes to all my trades. I've showed people in the past, I mean, I've done it so many times, and I always buy usually at the right price with this just simple tool. I use the boiler bands here, moving averages, and then I also chart with the Fibonacci. That always works really well for me. RSI is also very good to have here, but really the Fibonacci tool is like it always hits. I don't know why, it's just great. All right, so let's go. This is the Adobe, and right here you can see support, hits resistance over here, support, breaks all the way to resistance, support, dropping down, support, support. Now we're going to be waiting because it is dropping down. You can see it's trending down right now, that it's going to be hitting likely that same exact support of 274. It's downtrending to hit that, and I think, you know, hopefully we break below that and see opportunities. So this is my little draw box here of my buying zone for Adobe. And also, if you want to like get my plays of exactly when I'm investing and when exactly am I buying and adding positions to all of my stocks, I made a school. It's called school.com or whatever, and it's a platform where I'm able to give you live notifications every time I'm buying and selling a position. I'll have it in the description as well as in the pinned comment in this video. It's only 35 bucks a month, and it gives you a live notification when I'm adding positions. That way you can pretty much guarantee to increase your portfolio every year, right? And you know, if you can increase your portfolio 75%, and this is like long-term investing, and you don't have to like be in front of a computer, I think it's really worth it. Yeah, so I try to make it really affordable for everybody. But Adobe right now, it's such an amazing company. We're gonna see it, and if you're holding onto Adobe, don't sell it, by the way. Like, just keep holding it. If you're bag holding, keep holding it. Like, there's no reason to panic sell. Right now, it's just getting a lot of hit in the market just because AI is trending so well, right? But I do think that Adobe will adapt. They will collaborate with AI companies when it comes to, you know, AI videos or pictures as well. They have done it, I believe, with ChatGPT. They started to do it, But I mean, if they do it with Google VO3, I mean, it'll be a game changer. And also, you know, all the AI is eventually catching up in a couple years, you know, that would be that. So I do think you hold on to Adobe. I do think it's an amazing company. I will add about 100K in position on this. I have a little over a mil, 1.1 ready to invest in the market for dipping opportunities. Adobe is one of them. We also have Netflix. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. And I also talk about this in my other videos here. Netflix is almost a perfect play for us. And if you think that this is all just BS and, you know, like, oh, he's just drawing. I'm drawing these beforehand, right? You can see the box here, right? Let me show you guys my things in the past that I have done, right? This is Tesla. I bought here in the zone. I bought here in the zone on the fib. And this is before they even play out. And I sold here literally at the top. I saw it overextended here. Sold here. I added more positions here. I was going to add more positions if we ever hit here. I'm still holding a lot of position on Tesla. AMD as well. And I do this for a lot of my stocks, and I've added a lot of position on AMD here as well. I sold already. Here was a buy zone as well. And you can see when it's under, very oversold on the weekly boiler band as well. You can add positions as well. And you can see it was like kind of overextended here. Right now, we're still in a very uptrend in the market. So you can see the S&P 500 right here. Let me zoom out for you guys here. This is the S&P 500. And you can see here that, it's just been on the daily too. Well, weekly you can see a better picture, but like it's just been climbing, climbing, climbing. I'm waiting for another dip opportunity in the market. You might not think we'll see something like this, but there always is volatility in the market because that's what allows institutions and that big money to make money. They love to do it. They love to add fear in the market, and that's what makes the rich richer, right? So you can't have that. You can't get FOMO and buy at the all-time highs. You will lose, and then you'll be mad at yourself. So what you have to do is be very disciplined. And, you know, like I said, you can follow this channel. I will always update you in regards of when I'm adding positions, things like that. I've done this for a lot of stocks, and I'm going to continue doing this. So if you like any of this content, hit the like button, comment down below, please. This is a new channel. We're going to blow up. We're all going to make money this year, and let's all get rich. Like, let's do it. I'm going to be adding more money in my portfolio very, very soon, and then I'm going to be increasing it where I do think around like April, I think we're going to see a lot of volatility more in the market because everything is just really good uptrending right now. We just need to be prepared and hit those right moves. Adobe is a good one. Oh wait, let me show you exactly Adobe's balance sheets because that's what matters the most, right? So let's go here and let's go here. Okay, you can see this. So what I like to do, Google Finance, so I can show you here. Just gonna go Adobe, Google Finance, and you're gonna go google.com. The Google Finance page here. And look at this annual income statement, right? This is what we want to see when it comes to a good company, something that's climbing revenue, and you can see the yellow is net income. This is when they're making money. They made $7 billion in net in last year, 2025, which is great. You can see them continue climbing, and they're just getting beat down just because of all the AI stuff right now. But honestly, like, look at that. They're still making an increasing revenue, sales, profit every year. This stock is PE ratio currently, when I'm making this video, is about 17. It's kind of on sale right now, but I think it's going to get even cheaper. So keep an eye on Adobe. This is a great stock. I'm making this video because somebody requested it on the comments. So if you have any, if you want me to talk about a stock, leave them in the comments. I'll make a video for you guys. That's about it, guys. See you on the next one. Peace out.